This 2022 Newmar Bay Star 3626 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Ryder Decor, Harbour Maple Glazed Hardwood interior, Sleeps 6, TV, slideout, TV antenna, air conditioning, awning, external shower, self-contained, leveling jacks, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Bay Star 3626 is built on a Ford F53 26,000 pounds chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.